Brushing alone is not enough. If you just brush, plaque and food debris get left behind. Introducing the Waterpik Ultra Plus Water Flosser, the easy and most effective way to floss. The new fully featured Ultra Plus has a contemporary design with chrome accents. It features a water on-off control in the handle, 10 pressure settings, in-lid tip storage, and reservoir with 90+ seconds of water capacity. Follow these simple steps for the best experience. Fill reservoir with warm water and place firmly on the base. Select a tip that's right for you. Click firmly into handle. If this is your first use, you'll need to prime the pump. Number 1. Set the pressure control to high. Number 2. Point the tip into the sink. Number 3. Turn on until water flows. Number 4. Turn unit off. Now let's get on to water flossing. Start with the lowest pressure setting. Lean over the sink and place the tip in your mouth. Turn unit and water on. Partially close lips to prevent splashing and let water flow from your mouth into the sink. Aim the tip at the gum line. For best results, start with your back teeth. Move along gum line, pausing briefly between teeth. Floss front and back side of teeth for 1 minute a day. The Waterpik Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and is up to 50% more effective than string floss. You can have healthier gums and brighter teeth with the Ultra Plus Water Flosser.